Assalamu alaikum, how are you children? Today you will hear some heart-touching things which are based on reality when death comes. Be sure that nothing will work, no one will care if you leave the world, and all the affairs of this world will continue. Someone else will take over your responsibilities, your property will go to your heirs, and you have to account for this property. The first thing that will leave you at the time of death is your name. People will say, where is the dead body? When they want to perform the funeral, they will say to bring the funeral. When they start burying, they will say to bring the dead closer. Your name will never be used. Do not be deceived by wealth, lineage, position and children. How despicable is this world and how great is the one to which we are heading. You will have 3 types of mourners. 1. Those who know you at first glance will say, "Oh poor man. May Allah have mercy on him." 2. Your friends will grieve for a few hours or a few days and then they will return to their talk and laughter. 3. The grief of your family members will be deep. They will grieve for a few weeks, a few months or a year, and after that they will put you in the basket of memories. Your story among people will end and your real story will begin, and that is the hereafter. You will lose your 1. Hassan, 2. Property, 3. Health, 4. Offspring, 5. You will be away from your houses and palaces. 6. The husband will be separated from the wife and the wife will be separated from the husband. You will be left with only your action. Here the question arises, what have you prepared for your grave in the hereafter? This is a fact that needs consideration, so you should pay attention to 1. Duties, 2. Nawafil, 3. Hidden charity, 4. Good deeds, 5. Tahajjud prayer, 6. And towards good conduct, may be saved. If the deceased is brought back to the world, he will give preference to giving charity, as Allah says, Rabbi Lela Akartani ili ajal karib fa sadak. Al-Munafiqun 10. O my Lord, why did you not give me respite until the near term so that I would give charity? He will not say that I should pray or I should fast or I should perform Hajj and Umrah. Scholars say that the deceased mentions charity only because she sees its great effects after her death, so give as much charity as possible. And the best thing you can donate right now is 10 seconds of your time. You should convey this writing to others with the intention of goodwill and sincerity, because saying good things is also charity. If you try to remind people through this text, you will find it in your scales on the day of judgment. And remember, then the remembrance benefits the believers and advise, because surely advice benefits the believers. Like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.